So again, the pull cards that I'm looking here are the Bulbasaur full art secret rare, as well as the Squirtle. I might ultimately just have to buy them if I can't pull them. But yeah, let's see. Iron Boulder, come on, give me a Bulbasaur, give me a Squirtle. That would make my day. That would even make my month, I think. It would put me off to a great start for my collection. Let's see. Oh, a little Taurus. I do like the Gen 1s and Gen 2s. I think that's what I'm gonna try to build my my collection mostly of. Oh, a Lapras EX. Let's go. Another Lapras. This one's a bit different though. That's not the secret rare Lapras. Very beautiful card here. Just love them. That's awesome. That's a good pull right there. I'm happy with that. Reverse Salandit. Hydrapple EX. There you go. That's another rare card. Alright, so next one. Lots of Crispin. Melmetal Reverse. Grimmsnarl. That's a rare. With all these commons, uncommons, and rare, I'll probably create some packs for you guys. Not sure how I'll do it yet. But I definitely want to give some back, as well as maybe sell some mystery packs. But I want to try to be as fair as possible with my audience. And as fun as possible, always. The whole point of this is to look at these new cards, have fun opening them, and yeah, just create some entertainment altogether. Slowking, that's nice. Electrive. Bouffalant, that's another rare right there. Oh, just a regular Lapras. Lapras is such a nice Pokemon. Reverse Rhyhorn, already have him. DREDNAW, you see another DREDNAW. Like I said, a lot of repeating cards in these.